Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Beatty and I will be your instructor for your Orientation 101 course for the summer. So there are a couple of different things that I wanted you to notice about our Blackboard course that I wanted to show you. So you can see the screen right here. The first thing that I wanted you to notice is this student links and information folder. Now, the information in this folder will be the same information that you see across all of your Blackboard courses. So every class that you're in should have some version of all of these folders. So if you have any kind of technology problems with Blackboard or with your email, any kind of problems at all, you can contact the help desk, the IT help desk, and the links for submitting problems to the IT help desk is right here in this folder. Here is a folder about Blackboard support. If you have a Blackboard specific issue, you could try the Blackboard support as well. We have some information about our library here and a link to the library's website and hours and how to contact any of our librarians. This folder right here is probably the most beneficial folder for students. Because you're a student in Central Alabama, you have access to Homework Alabama, which is a free online tutoring service. So if you click on Homework Alabama down here, they offer tutors for all subjects. So if you need extra help in math, there's a math tutor for you there. If you need someone to proofread a paper for English class, there's an online writing lab connected to Homework Alabama. So you do have to make a free account, but you are connected to certified teachers in Alabama to help with whatever academic needs you have. Alabama Virtual Library is also linked in this folder. If you take any English classes here at CAC, you will absolutely be using the Alabama Virtual Library for research purposes. The ADA information, if you have any kind of accommodations with the ADA office, then how to contact the ADA office is here. If you feel like you might qualify for ADA services, then the information is here for you to get into contact with those people. We have our continuity of instruction policy, which just means that, if another global pandemic happens and we're all sent home to learn on the computer, then that will happen. Classes will not stop. We will continue with classes. Here's some information, a little information about netiquette, just how to be kind online. It's easy to not be kind sometimes when we're not talking to an actual person, but just some kind of basic guidelines on how you should behave online. And then here's some information about the Respondus Lockdown Browser. You will not need Respondus Lockdown Browser for this course, but if you take online courses, other online courses like an English or a math course, you will need to have Respondus Lockdown Browser, so that information is on all Blackboard courses. So I wanted to make sure you understand that in the Start Here folder, that's where this video is housed, so you are able to find this video. There's also a video from the president of the college, Jeff Lynn. And then in the syllabus and instructor information, that's where your syllabus is. So your syllabus, this is a very important document. This document lays out all of the rules for the class. It lays out the calendar for the class, so when all of your assignments are due, how your grade is calculated, all of that information is in this folder. Right now, the only thing that you can see is the student links, the Start Here, syllabus, and Module 1. I haven't opened up your other modules yet, so you're not able to see those. In Module 1, this is your required attendance activity. So this activity must be completed by 11:59 p.m. Wednesday, May the 25th. This is your required attendance activity. Anytime you take any course online, you are required to do an initial attendance activity. If you do not complete this activity by the due date, you will be dropped from the course. So it is very important that you do this. This is also our first graded assignment of the class. So what you're going to do is, it's an introduction discussion. So you'll click open the introduction discussion, and it gives you all of your information right here to the left. So you're going to post in the post box. So when you type a response here, you're going to type your major, or if you're a dual enrollment student, what high school you attend. And then you're going to upload a link to a video. Now, your video can be on any kind of recording device you have available. It can be a video that you take on your cell phone and then you upload it from your phone. It can be a YouTube video. You can do a screen recording of yourself through Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic or whatever recording device you have. But you have to turn in the video on the submission box, and it must be clickable. I have to be able to open it for you to get a grade. So to do that, you're going to click in the box, type your name and your major or your high school in the box, and then you're going to click on the paperclip over here to the side. You can click on the paperclip, or you can click on the link, and you click on the link and then you copy and paste the link to your video in the box, and then you click respond, and then I will have your video. In your video, you should state your name, you should state your major or your high school, and what you plan to do, after you graduate. What is your next step after you graduate from Central Alabama, or after you graduate from high school? Introduce yourself to the class. What is your current career? You might want to talk about your family or some interests that you have, some interesting hobbies that you may partake in. And then I want you to talk about any concerns that you have about taking an online class and what you hope this class teaches you. What are some things about college life that you aren't quite sure about that you want to know? So if you could be sure you get those videos posted and turned in by 11:59 p.m. Wednesday, May the 25th, so that you don't get dropped from the course. All of our other assignments and all the other modules throughout the semester, you'll have the entire week to do them. You'll have the week to read or watch the videos, and then post your assignment by 11:59 on Sunday night of that week. This is the only assignment that will be due in the middle of the week. Everything else will be due by the end of the week. If you have any questions at all, please email me. My email is bbeatty, Beatty, bbeatty @cac.edu. That's also posted in the syllabus and instructor information section of Blackboard. Please do not Blackboard message me. I do not get notifications for Blackboard messages, so I can't answer you as quickly as if you just email me. If you email me, I will answer you almost immediately. If you Blackboard message me, it may be a day or two before I answer. So your best bet, if you have a question, is to email me, and I can answer you as quickly as possible. I look forward to working with you guys. See you later.